Come on up in here, buddy. Oh, he's a little bitty one. That's right. That's right. He's a little tiny one. Okay. Let's see how I can get this out of here. Uh-oh. There we go. All right. First one from me. Little bitty tiny baby. Thank you for biting. There we go. Okay. Good job. There you go. That's it. Well, you throw them in. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one there. Yes, sir. Need a net? Oh yeah, that's a real good one there. Appreciate that bite, boy. Very nice. All right. All right, he's tearing them up on the rattle trap. Come on up in here, buddy. Lord have mercy. There we go. Woo. Okay. Appreciate that, my friend. Get me up in here. Let me see what I got here. Okay. Hold up, buddy. I gotta get you. Gotta get my pliers to get you out of this thing. There we go. That's a good one. All right. Appreciate you back. Alright, my first one off the rattle trap. Alright. Trying to get him another one. That's good, that's good. That's about a... You might get 2 tacos out of that one. Yes, alright. All right, good. Yeah, let me get turned around. Ronnie got my nut. There he is. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, yeah. And I just said a 2-pounder. I wanted it, though. Hey. Yeah. Hold on a minute. Yeah, there we go. Let's got close now. Yeah. I don't know. I got something. I don't think it's a fish. It may be though. I believe it is. Oh, good Lord. Oh, he's a pretty one too. He's a good strike. Come here, buddy. Yeah. That's a good one there. If I can get this out of him. He about swallowed the thing. There we go. Whew. Pretty fish. Yeah, a nice looking fish. Yeah, okay. Thank you for biting that, buddy. Put you right there. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't think it was a fish. I thought I got hung. I know. I was like, what in the world? I don't know. He feels good. He definitely feels good. I couldn't see from the sun. Nah, he ain't no two. All right. Okay. All right. Pliers. I think he's about 1.5 pounds. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, no, he ain't 2 pounds. He ain't 2 pounds. I would say maybe 1.5 pounds. 138. He wasn't even 1.5. That's all right. Yeah. All right. Appreciate you biting that, buddy. We sure do. Thank you.